Let me ask you something. When was the last time you woke up genuinely excited for the day? Not just going through the motions, not just crossing off to-do lists, but actually excited about what was ahead. If your answer is, I don't even remember, then we've got the work to do. Because here is the truth. Life is not meant to be dull. You are not supposed to feel like you're living on repeat. And if you do, it's a sign you need to shake things up a bit. Why do so many people feel bored? Well, let's be real. Most people don't have boring lives. They have repetitive lives. Same routines, same places, same conversations, same people. Nothing new. It's no wonder they feel stuck. But here is the good news. Excitement isn't something that just happens. It's something that you intentionally create in your life. So let's talk about how to bring the thrill back into your life. It's a choice. I remember I bumped into one of my acquaintances at the playground and when I was hanging around with my child, and I could see that she was so tense, so unhappy, her body language, her face, how she was talking. And I said, "Are you okay?" She looked at me and said, "Anna, life is a struggle, daily struggle to survive. Not sure why you don't feel the same way." So let me tell you, life will be exactly the way how you want to see it and what you make out of it. In this video, I will give you 5 powerful strategies to make your life more exciting, bring back that spark, and start feeling alive again. Number 1, say yes to something new. Let me ask you, when was the last time you did something for the first time? Think about kids. They're excited all the time because every day brings something new, because the world is new to them. Every experience is fresh. As adults, we lose that because we stop trying new things. Take a new route to work, try a new hobby, pottery, boxing, salsa dancing, eat at a restaurant you've never been to. Even small changes rewire your brain for excitement. So this week, commit to doing one new thing. If I look at every of my months, I would always have some new experience that enriches me, makes my life exciting, a new activity, a new place, or a new group of people who I'm hanging around with. Strategy number 2, create things to look forward to. Anticipation of the fun event is instant excitement in itself. You know that feeling before a holiday or a big event, that's excitement and you can create it anytime. Schedule something exciting, a weekend trip, a concert, a fun date night. Have milestones like a personal project or a fitness goal or an adventure that you're planning. The key, always have something to look forward to, something exciting booked in your diary. Before the start of my year, my husband and I make a full year plan. We have holidays booked, the days for date nights locked, the days for some family adventures locked, our fitness goals, our career and business deadlines and goals. So when I started 2025, I had things to look forward to already. In just first 3 weeks of January, we sold our house, moved to a new place, went on holiday, so it was just pretty much impossible to feel bored. In February, I had massive business projects. Both of our kids started new stages of their schooling. In March, we have another holiday plan. In April, we have a mini adventure for Easter, and so on. We're filling in our daily lives with exciting things, which makes our daily grind less painful. And in fact, more enjoyable because we work hard to play hard. And another way around. We play hard so we can work hard after that. Strategy number 3, break your routines. If your days feel like copy-paste versions of each other, it's time to shake things up. Change where you work or study. Try a different morning routine. Have a spontaneous night out. Even the small tweaks wake your brain up and add freshness to your life. It is a bit hard to be spontaneous when you have young children and don't have parents around to help you, to call and say, "Hey mom, dad, can you come and babysit our kids?" And I know it because that's what we have. So we always have to plan when we are going for a date night. However, we can add some spontaneity around what element. We don't have that freedom around when, but we have some freedom around what. Strategy number 4, surround yourself with exciting people. Ever notice how some people just radiate energy? They are full of ideas, adventures, and crazy stories. Now ask yourself, are you hanging out with people like that? Or are you surrounding yourself with people who constantly complain and say that life is a struggle? Do people energize you or do people drain you? If your circle feels like they're draining you, start expanding your network. Join a new group or community. Go to events where inspiring people hang out, some kind of masterminds. Connect with people who live life boldly. Their energy is contagious. Strategy number 5, make fear your friend. Here is a secret. Excitement and fear feel the same in your body. That nervous heart racing feeling. It happens when you're doing something thrilling and when you're doing something scary. So if you want more excitement, start stepping out of your comfort zone. Start doing some things that give you that thrill. Ask yourself, what is something I've always wanted to do but have been so scared to do it? Public speaking? Starting a business? Traveling solo? Going on some kind of hike and adventure? The most exciting moments of your life won't happen in your comfort zone. Push yourself into the unknown and watch how your life transforms. My husband is always laughing. There is no activity pretty much that I would say no to. Skiing, yes. Beach, yes. Camping, yes. Hiking, yes. I love doing it all. I remember we woke up one morning and it was such a lovely day, and he said, "Oh, such a lovely day, it would be good to go to the beach." It was not in our plans. I said, "Yep, the hint is taken." We were out of the house with 2 kids in like 30 minutes. As everything in our life, the approach towards having fun starts with shifting our mindset. And the moment you start shifting it towards taking action in accordance with your life design, your life will stop being boring and exhausting. It will become exciting and invigorating. Final challenge, make a move now. I want you to do something today that shakes up your routine. Say yes to something unexpected. Schedule something fun to look forward to. Start planning that holiday that you were postponing for so many times. And drop a comment below. What's one thing you're going to do this week to make your life more exciting? I can't wait to hear your ideas. Remember, life is exciting as you make it. Stop waiting for excitement to come to you and start creating it. And if you want to learn other strategies and other ways how to add more fun to your life, check out my video here. And I will see you on the other side. As always, rooting for you with care, Anna.